Getting into meme coins is like stepping into a wild carnival where almost everything is a scam. You'll run into shady projects, insane price swings, and the constant risk of losing everything in seconds. I've been burned more than once myself. But after enough mistakes, trial runs, and failures, I finally pieced together a strategy that actually makes sense. In this video, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can see the full picture and test it for yourself. The turning point for me came when I stopped treating meme coins as quick flips and started approaching them like actual projects. That simple mindset shift made all the difference in my results. Like most beginners, I started out on Pump Fun. It's the main hub for meme coins, but the problem is it's overcrowded. Just showing up there doesn't guarantee anything. Even if you've got a plan, luck plays a massive role. And usually, losses stack up faster than wins. After dealing with the noise and chaos, I started looking for alternatives. That's when I found Raydium. Compared to Pump Fun, Raydium is calmer, smoother, and gives you more control. Fewer projects launch at once, which means your token has a real chance to stand out. I tried plenty of methods, but the simplest way I've found to launch on Raydium is by using bitlyxsol. No coding, no complex setup. Just a couple of clicks and you're ready to go. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So our first step will be creation of the logo Let's Launch Canva. The logo is one of the most important parts of your launch. It's the very first thing people see, and first impressions matter a lot in the meme coin space. A strong logo can instantly grab attention and make your token memorable. The best approach? Use a meme that's already trending. People recognize it right away, and it gives your project instant familiarity. For this example, I'm going with the copium meme. It's funny, popular, and has a clear identity. Before moving on, make sure to resize the image to 128 by 128 pixels and download it. That small detail matters because it's the standard size you'll need for uploading later. After we download logo, let's jump back on a bitlyxsol. Next, we need to create your token. Connect your wallet, approve the prompt, and you're ready. Fill in the basics: name, symbol, description, and logo. For this demo, I'll use copium coin with COPE as the symbol. Keep the description witty or light. It helps you stand out. Upload the logo and move forward. The tokenomics section is already filled in, so no need to touch it. Just hit Next. Then come the Revoke Authority options. These are critical for trust. Revoke Freeze. No one can block transactions. Revoke Mint. No new tokens can be printed. Revoke Update. The contract can't be changed. Skipping these is a red flag, so always turn them on. Then hit Launch My Token. Approve the wallet pop-up and your token will go live in seconds. While I'm creating the token, I also want to quickly mention something important. In the last video, I ran a small giveaway, and we already have a winner. Congratulations to them. If you want a chance to take part in the next giveaway, make sure you join my Telegram group. That's where I'll be announcing all future events, sharing updates, and posting details on how to participate. Before celebrating, head to SolScan to confirm everything's correct. If your token shows up there, you know it's live on the blockchain. Step 3 will be adding a liquidity. Without liquidity, your token can't be traded. Hit the liquidity button, which takes you to Raydium. Now, when we redirected to Raydium, first of all, we need to reconnect our wallet. Then let's press at base token. As you can see, we need token address. Let's jump back on bitlyxsol and copy it and add it as a user token. For this walkthrough, I'm adding 900 million out of 1 billion tokens to the pool. Pair it with SOL. That's the standard choice. Decide how much SOL you'll contribute, but keep at least 0.2 SOL for fees. I have 0.8 SOL for the liquidity, so I will put 0.65 because 0.2 go in the fees. For the fee tier, I use 2%. It's been reliable. Then click Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the prompt, and your token is live on the market. Once the pool is set, your token automatically appears on Photon and is ready for trading. Now that the token is live, You can already see it showing up on Photon, which is great because it means trading is active right away. But personally, I don't rely on Photon for tracking. Instead, I prefer using DexScreener. The reason is simple. The interface feels smoother, the charts load faster, and it gives me a much clearer picture of what's happening with the token in real time. So let's click on a random token, then go back to bitlyxsol and copy the token address. Then simply replace it with the random token that we open, and you'll get a live chart instantly. Watch Liquidity closely, that's where the action is. Bots will show up, that's normal. Use Raydium's Portfolio tab to track your holdings and profits. Your liquidity position usually shows up within 10 to 15 minutes. This section gives you a complete overview of your holdings, showing exactly how much liquidity you've added, what your positions look like, and how your profits are shaping up as trades come in. Now, let's switch back over to DexScreener and take a closer look at how the launch is unfolding in real time. I've set up a quick time-lapse view so you can actually see the token's activity play out step by step. This makes it easier to spot the first wave of buys, the movement of liquidity, and how the market reacts during those crucial first minutes. When you're ready to cash out, go to Raydium's Liquidity tab. Find your LP position, click minus, drag to 100%, and ignore the top numbers, they're not accurate. Look at the SOL amount at the bottom. If it looks right, hit Remove Liquidity, Approve, and you're done. Once the alert shows up, your profits are already in your wallet. Refresh, and they'll be there. I made a modest profit in just a few minutes. Nothing crazy, but repeated often enough, and small wins stack up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. By the way, this video is for learning purposes only. I'm not connected with Photon, bitlyxsol, DexScreener, or Raydium. I'm simply sharing my personal steps for launching coins. If it makes sense to you, now could be your chance to try it. Don't forget to join the Telegram group, and goodbye.